What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you all how to tie a tie real quick. Alright, so the shirt, you want to just kind of pop your collar, put the tie around the back, and most ties have a thicker end and a thinner end. Alright, so first thing you want to do is just put the thicker end, cross it over the thinner one, and hold it right there. Alright, so how much you have hanging off each side is going to kind of depend on how big the tie is and how large or small of a human you are. So you're going to cross it over, thicker end over smaller end, and hold it, and you're going to bring the end all the way around till it wraps over your fingers that are holding it in place, like so. Alright, so that's what it looks like. So once you have that wrapped around, you're going to put it through the neck hole, pull it straight through, and then you're going to take the tip of the big end, you're going to stick it through that little hole there. Alright, you can grab it with your finger and hold this in place and slide it right through, just like that. Alright, so once that's through, you're going to take the smaller end that's behind it, hold on to it, and then just pull the big end right down, and it's going to cinch up just like that. And then you can take the knot while holding the thin end behind it and just slide it right up to your neck. Alright, if you want to loosen it up, just grab it right here and pull the knot right back down. Alright, so when you cinch it up, you can then put your collar back down, move it to the side, and then cinch it up some more. Alright, if you want to be lazy with it and you already forgot how to tie the tie, just pop the collar, loosen it up one more time, make sure that the thin end doesn't go all the way out, just pop it right back over your head. Alright, you're ready to use again when you need a tie. Just like that. Alright.